Hey, Ray, Dave cooked a Franco painting. Woo, flashlight, I'm flashing you. Not really. So we're doing some self-policing. So we had some work done on a job. The customer had a big fireplace here and they redid it. And as you can see, when the drywall got put up, you can still see the lines. So we're trying to make it go away. And one of the guys we had working said he took care of it, but then as you can see, you can still see kind of where those patches are. Some of it is not gonna be able to go away. I mean, we're kind of just putting mud where someone else did all the drywall work, so we're only do so much. But the one thing, biggest complaint, and I shouldn't say it's a complaint, but it is, you know, things not getting done right, or the wall doesn't look good. And, you know, when we look at this way, the wall looks great. The hump is the hump. Just, you know, sometimes drywall goes this way, and you can see, like if you look on the wall, like a hallway, you'll see a hump that way. It's kind of the same thing. So you found the wall, looks good. There's not a ton of you can see, but for whatever reason, they never checked their work. So as much as it looks good this way, it looks awful when you put a light on where the drywall work was. So Chad's here now, and he's gonna come in and refloat this wall. So we actually are floating the wall. It doesn't look like my hand, but that's about 2 feet, where we're gonna come here and go all the way up and float this out. And then this side, same thing, float this side out 2 feet, just because it's more of a hump than what we'd like. It doesn't quite look up to standard. So if you're putting drywall in, ideally, if you have the same thickness, which they did not have the same thickness drywall, which makes the matter even worse. The drywall on here was 5/8, and they had 1/2 inch, which meant we had to build it up with drywall mud in order to get that thickness up. And then they had a double joints in there instead of putting one piece. They put several, so they pieced in 3 pieces of drywall, which doesn't help us as you're trying to feather out, make it look nice and smooth. The drywall itself was crooked, so the wall itself has a bow in it, which doesn't make it easy to try and make it look flat either. And then trying to patch in wood, which guy did a pretty good job, but you know, the style of trim that's here, they don't make that same profile anymore. So we used what was here, and we're just trying to patch it in with wood bondo and that kind of stuff. So we still have a little more work to do to make that look good. There's a light that Chad's putting on there too, so you can kind of see that a little bit more, that hump on the bottom there. But anyway, so we're doing drywall work. The best thing we can do is do our best. It's just sometimes really hard. Like if I probably put a light on that hallway there, you'll see where the drywall goes this way. If you have a hallway that has drywall like that, where that 2 pieces butt together, you'll see a hump on the wall. So Chad's gonna float this stuff out today and tomorrow, and then it should be good to go. If you got questions on drywall, wall repairs, how to make them look better, what to do, what to look out for, definitely give us a call. Help you love the space you're in. Just a